So recently I received a comment on one of my videos claiming that, well, it was my video where I deleted Fire Emblem Heroes Forever, deleted all the data and everything. And the comment was like, oh, you people who like have to make an announcement about these kinds of things are so weird and blah, 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 blah. And when I first read that comment, I was like, you know, it doesn't feel great to read it, but at the same time, I'm like, it's kind of true. It is kind of strange, isn't it? That I have this weird impulsive nature about me where I really like sharing things. Also, it's really cold, so I feel like it's harder for me to speak right now. That's interesting. But yeah, I just feel this desire to like share and express myself and just express my ideas. And I think that was always in me, like from like always, but more so when I started like recording videos on YouTube and like practicing that muscle of writing video scripts and writing my ideas out and journaling, especially journaling. I think journaling was probably the thing that got me to like do this as a second nature type of thing when I started journaling like 10 years ago at this point. And I just wrote out all my thoughts and just, I never shared it with anyone, but it was the act of expressing myself and getting to let go of ideas, not let go, but just like say ideas, to bring it into reality from my mind to either, well, Google Docs mostly in the beginning, and now sometimes day one, but mostly for YouTube now and on my audio journal that I also have as a podcast. Like just releasing and expressing myself fully all the time is something I've gotten used to, and so used to the point where I'm like, I could just post and upload pretty much anything at this point, just share like close to anything and not really care or worry about it. And I know that's a very, very weird or strange thing, but yeah, I've gotten used to it, and I think it's sort of fun and nice to be able to do that, to share and just express myself constantly and consistently. It feels like one of the most like cathartic things, I hope I'm using that word right, that I've experienced in my life, and I want to continue to do it. So to that comment, you're right, it is strange, but it's sort of my thing right now, and I feel happy to get to do it. Just expression. And it's getting really loud now, so I'm gonna end this video. Catch you guys later.